When was the last time you checked your RV roof? Did you know a leaking roof is the #1 cause of RV damage? Causing severe damage, ruining your trips, costing you thousands of dollars in repair work. Don't let this happen to you. Introducing Liquid Rubber RV Roof Products, designed to be easily applied and backed by a 10-year warranty. Whether you need a small repair or restore your whole roof, Liquid Rubber has everything you need. With over 100,000 RVs protected and thousands of 5-star reviews, RV owners can't stop raving about Liquid Rubber.
My roof was getting old and I decided to restore it for peace of mind. It looks amazing and my RV is much cooler now.
I noticed the sealant around the skylight starting to crack. I was able to repair it as good as new in 15 minutes.
You can camp comfortably knowing you've got the moose on your roof.
Liquid Rubber!